the only survey website that actually pays 10 an hour Canada. Hello everyone, today I will show you the only website for surveys that I found out that pays $10 an hour. In general, Surveys website pays around at most $5 an hour, which is very minimal. I was looking for a side hustle while I was studying and found out that surveys could be done easily and at home. I have come across many websites, some were scammy, some were very long and low value. I found a survey website that actually pays really good and has a good platform. I have put the link in the description. Click on it and go on the website. First, you will need to create an account and input your information. Make sure you put the right address so they can send you what you redeemed later on, and a valid email address since you will need to confirm it. As you finish signing up, go to your emails and search for the confirmation email. If you don't find it, search in your spam, promotion or social tabs in your email. After confirming it, simply complete your profile for easier surveys target to you. After you finish, you are good to go. There are many surveys you can take and they are very rewarding. Hope you enjoyed the video and have a great day. If you have any questions, feel free to put it in the comments. Make sure to like, subscribe my video also.